Welcome to our journey through the fascinating evolution of bats, the only mammals capable of true flight. Their story is one of remarkable adaptation, a testament to the power of natural selection to shape life in extraordinary ways. From their ancient origins to their diverse forms and ecological roles, bats have captivated our imaginations for centuries. In this film, we will delve into the fossil record, explore their unique anatomy, and uncover the secrets behind their remarkable abilities. Prepare to be amazed as we venture into the world of these nocturnal creatures and witness the wonders of their incredible evolution. Our story begins over 50 million years ago, in the Eocene epoch, a time when the Earth was a much warmer place. Lush forests covered vast areas, and the skies were alive with the earliest forms of birds. It was during this period that a new group of extraordinary creatures took to the air, the bats. The oldest known bat fossils, discovered in Wyoming and Europe, date back to this time. These fossils, though fragmentary, provide us with tantalizing glimpses into the early stages of bat evolution. They reveal creatures remarkably similar in structure to modern bats, possessing elongated fingers that supported delicate wing membranes. Even in these early forms, the hallmarks of powered flight are evident, suggesting that bats evolved this remarkable ability relatively quickly. These ancient remains whisper tales of a time when bats were just beginning to carve their niche in the world, their wings carrying them into the night sky. From their very beginnings, bats were destined for the skies. Their wings, unlike those of birds, are formed by a thin membrane of skin stretched between elongated finger bones. This unique adaptation, found nowhere else in the mammal world, allows for an astonishing degree of maneuverability and control. Imagine, if you will, the delicate dance of a bat in flight, twisting and turning with an agility that defies its earthly origins. The evolution of powered flight in bats is a testament to the incredible power of natural selection. Over countless generations, tiny changes in anatomy, driven by the relentless pressure to survive, gradually transform these creatures into masters of the air. Their wings, so delicate yet strong, are a symphony of form and function, each element perfectly adapted for life on the wing. The ability to fly opened up a world of possibilities for bats, allowing them to exploit new food sources and escape from predators in ways unimaginable to their earthbound ancestors. Tracing the ancestry of bats has been a challenge for scientists, their delicate skeletons often leaving behind only fragmentary fossils. However, through careful analysis of both fossil and genetic data, we are beginning to piece together their evolutionary history. Bats belong to the order Chiroptera, which means handwing. This order is further divided into two suborders, Megachiroptera, megabats, and Microchiroptera, microbats. Despite their shared ability to fly, these two groups exhibit distinct characteristics and evolutionary trajectories. Megabats, as their name suggests, tend to be larger in size and are primarily fruit eaters. They rely heavily on their keen eyesight and sense of smell to navigate and locate food. Microbats, on the other hand, are generally smaller and have evolved a remarkable adaptation echolocation. The relationship between these two groups has been a subject of debate, but current evidence suggests that they share a common ancestor, a creature that lived millions of years ago and possessed the rudimentary beginnings of flight. Unraveling the intricate branches of the bat family tree is an ongoing endeavor, each new discovery shedding light on the fascinating journey of these creatures through time. The world of bats is divided into two distinct lineages, the megabats and the microbats. Megabats, often referred to as fruit bats or flying foxes, are the charismatic giants of the bat world. These gentle giants, with their fox-like faces and impressive wingspans, play a vital role in the rainforests they call home, dispersing seeds and pollinating plants as they feast on fruits and nectar. In contrast to their larger cousins, microbats are the masters of the night. These diminutive bats, often weighing no more than a few grams, have evolved a superpower that sets them apart echolocation. This remarkable ability allows them to navigate and hunt in complete darkness, using sound waves to paint a picture of their surroundings. Imagine, if you will, a world without light, where sound becomes your only guide. This is the world of the microbats, a world they navigate with astonishing precision and grace. The division of bats into these two distinct groups highlights the incredible diversity that can arise from a single lineage, each group uniquely adapted to its ecological niche. In the darkness, where our own senses fail us, microbats have evolved an extraordinary ability: echolocation. This remarkable adaptation allows them to navigate and hunt with astonishing precision, using sound waves to create a detailed map of their surroundings. Imagine, for a moment, the world through the ears of a bat. As they fly, they emit a series of high-pitched calls, too high for us to hear, that bounce off objects in their path. These returning echoes are picked up by their large, sensitive ears, providing them with a wealth of information about the distance, size, shape, and even texture of objects in their environment. This constant stream of sonic information allows them to weave through dense forests, snatch insects from mid-air, and even distinguish between different species of prey. The evolution of echolocation in bats is a testament to the power of natural selection to shape sensory systems in extraordinary ways. It is a symphony of sound, a language of echoes that allows these creatures to thrive in a world hidden from our view. From the fruit-laden canopies of tropical rainforests to the insect-filled skies above our backyards, bats have adapted to a remarkable array of diets. Megabats, with their keen eyesight and sense of smell, are primarily frugivores, their diets consisting mainly of fruits, flowers, and nectar. These gentle giants play a crucial role in the ecosystems they inhabit, dispersing seeds and pollinating plants as they move from tree to tree. Microbats, on the other hand, exhibit a far greater diversity of feeding habits. While many species are insectivorous, using their echolocation abilities to hunt down moths, beetles, and other flying insects, others have evolved more specialized tastes. Some, like the fish-eating bats of Central and South America, have developed long claws and sensitive receptors on their feet that allow them to pluck fish from the water's surface. Others, like the vampire bats, have evolved a taste for blood, their sharp teeth and specialized saliva allowing them to feed on the blood of mammals and birds. The dietary diversity of bats is a testament to their adaptability, their evolution driven by the constant search for sustenance in a world of ever-changing opportunities. While often shrouded in darkness, the lives of many bat species are far from solitary. In fact, bats are among the most social of mammals, forming colonies that can number in the millions. These vast gatherings, often found in caves, trees, or even man-made structures, provide safety in numbers, protection from predators, and a place to raise their young. Within these bustling communities, complex social interactions unfold. Bats communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, from high-pitched squeaks to low rumbles, each call conveying information about food sources, potential threats, or even individual identity. Some species, like the Mexican free-tailed bats, engage in cooperative hunting, working together to herd insects into tight swarms before swooping in for the feast. Others, like the vampire bats, exhibit remarkable acts of altruism, sharing food with unrelated individuals who have been unsuccessful in their own foraging attempts. The social lives of bats, often hidden from our view, provide a glimpse into the complex world of these fascinating creatures, revealing a level of intelligence and cooperation that rivals that of many primates. Bats, with their remarkable adaptability, have colonized every continent on Earth except Antarctica. From the frigid tundra to the sweltering tropics, they have carved out a niche in virtually every terrestrial ecosystem. Their global distribution is a testament to their evolutionary success, their ability to thrive in a wide range of habitats and climates. In the lush rainforests of South America, brightly colored fruit bats flit through the canopy, their calls echoing through the trees. In the arid deserts of Australia, nectar-feeding bats pollinate ancient baobab trees, their long tongues probing deep into the flowers for a sweet reward. Even in the bustling cities of Europe and North America, bats have adapted to urban life, roosting in buildings and bridges, their nightly sorties taking them over parks and gardens in search of insects. The ability of bats to thrive in such a wide range of environments highlights their ecological importance, their presence a vital thread in the tapestry of life on Earth. Bats, often misunderstood and feared, are in reality essential members of the ecosystems they inhabit, providing a vital service to both the natural world and human society. Their ecological roles are as diverse as the bats themselves, ranging from pollination and seed dispersal to insect control and even nutrient cycling. In the rainforests of the tropics, fruit-eating bats play a crucial role in seed dispersal, their droppings depositing seeds far from the parent plant, allowing forests to regenerate and thrive. Nectar-feeding bats, with their long tongues and brush-tipped tongues, are vital pollinators, transferring pollen from flower to flower, ensuring the reproduction of countless plant species. Insectivorous bats, the most numerous group, provide an invaluable service by controlling insect populations. A single bat can consume thousands of insects in a night, keeping populations of agricultural pests in check and reducing the need for harmful pesticides. The ecological services provided by bats are estimated to be worth billions of dollars annually, highlighting their importance to both the environment and the global economy. Despite their evolutionary success and ecological importance, bats around the world are facing an increasing number of threats, many of them human-induced. Habitat loss, perhaps the most pressing threat, is driven by deforestation, urbanization, and the conversion of natural landscapes for agriculture. As forests are cleared and wetlands drained, bats lose their roosting sites and foraging grounds, their populations dwindling as a result. Climate change poses another significant challenge, altering temperature and rainfall patterns, disrupting bat migration routes and impacting the availability of food and water. Disease, too, has taken a toll on bat populations in recent years. White nose syndrome, a fungal disease that affects hibernating bats, has decimated bat populations in North America, killing millions of bats and raising concerns about the long-term survival of some species. Protecting bats and ensuring their continued survival requires a multifaceted approach, including habitat conservation, disease research, and public education to dispel myths and foster appreciation for these remarkable creatures. The evolution of bats exemplifies the incredible power of natural selection and the remarkable diversity that can arise from a single lineage. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. From their ancient origins to their vital roles in ecosystems worldwide, bats have captivated our imaginations and reminded us of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. However, as we have seen, these remarkable creatures face an uncertain future, their survival threatened by habitat loss, climate change, and disease. It is our responsibility to ensure that bats continue to grace our skies for generations to come. By supporting bat conservation efforts, raising awareness about their ecological importance, and promoting coexistence between humans and bats, we can help secure a brighter future for these fascinating and essential creatures.